Oh, there's the European Wax Center. Do we have time?
Connected.
What's up, YouTube? Out here, New York City, Times Square. Miller Motography. Marquez NYC Moto. And I'm working as a male model today, apparently. Straighten out more? That way? That way. Are we in front of the bus stop? The bus stop's right there. Taxi boy's there. Yeah. You're not gonna make it. Those are nuns. There's a car full of nuns pulling in, dude. You can't make that up, Mark. The Honda Pilot that just pulled over has like 7 nuns in it. Oh, wow, there's a GTR over there too. Right. That's what's gonna pull up next after the GTR. That's pretty dope, man. Woo, man. That is sick. Look, here we go. See, there's like a supercar meter somewhere around here. That's not even his bike, that's my bike. Here's a cop. Here come here are the cops.
Oh, that's not us. That's how close you guys are.
Wait, what's making noise? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
That's why before just not you guys.
Oh, yeah, don't worry about that.
Start revving and acting like fools.
Yeah, we'll be good.
First, you guys, I know you guys. See, all the captain is out.
Yeah, yeah.
How's your night going so far?
What's that?
How's your night going? Good?
Yeah, not bad. How about yourself, man?
Yeah, we're about to meet soon, actually.
Trying to get a couple of nice pictures, you know?
That's cool. We're good attached to that.
What's that?
You're attached to the helmet.
Oh, yeah, this is on the helmet.
Yeah, that's cool.
What's up?
Nice. Nice. Pretty good.
Oh, that came out nice. That's good, man.
Enjoy your night.
All right, thanks, man. Have a good night.
Okay, drive safe, man.
Good night. Yo, that's a nice Lexus. Wow, that is so sweet. That's hot, man. That is beautiful. Really nice, man. Actually, the Civic behind it is not bad looking. What's up? Oh, that's nice, man. That looks good. Alright, we leaving now, guys? You want to go? Plenty of room for you too, here.
Sweating.